Hello everyone, this is Jason from PageVamp, and today I'm going to show you how to use a new tool in the pagecoins dashboard that will allow you to create and send a website to anyone with a Facebook page. So first I want to show you a method of generating leads for this tool. If you go to fbmaps.info, you can see a map of businesses in an area with a Facebook page. So let's zoom in to a random area on the map. Okay, so we're in Mexico City. Now let's click on one of the restaurant icons, and you can see some of the info from the Facebook page shows up here. So let's go to the Facebook page, and the first thing we want to look for is whether or not they have a website listed. And this restaurant does not have a website listed, they just have a twitter.com address, which is good, so they are a potential PageVamp user. Now let's go see if their about information is all filled out, and it looks good, it looks like they have a lot of information filled out. So that's good material to create the PageVamp site. And if we go to their photos, we can see that it does look like they have some pretty high quality photos that we can use as the homepage images for the website. So now let's copy the URL and paste it on the reseller dashboard in the Create Website tool. This makes you an admin of the PageVamp site, but not the Facebook page. So as you can see now, they appear in your reseller dashboard. And if you click on the link to visit the site, this is what it looks like without any edits. So it's using our default template Prism, and it looks okay, but we can make a few changes to make it look really good. So in the client settings, we can log in as them. And the first thing you'll notice is that there's a 60-day trial. This is a 60-day trial until one of the admins of the Facebook page logs in, and then it becomes a normal 14-day trial. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is I'll change the theme. Now I want to change some of the homepage images. The site is already starting to look better. There's a few more edits that I want to make. First, I want to hide the events page because they don't have any events coming up. Now I want to write a shorter Facebook short description that will display on the homepage. Now I could use the site as it is, but I want to go a bit above and beyond and use their logo. A lot of businesses use their logo as their profile picture on their Facebook page. So I've downloaded the profile picture, which is their logo, and I'm going to add it to their site now. As you can see, the logo doesn't quite work with this theme. So there are two things I can do. I can either change the theme, which is what I'll do now, or I could edit the photo to make it a transparent PNG file, which is what all logo files should ideally be. So I just changed the theme, and now the website looks pretty good. So let's check it out at the external link. And here's the website. So some other things you could do when you're making these websites, you could add a custom page with their menu, you could add a reservation widget, or a click to call button with the phone number listed on their Facebook page. You can do anything that you would normally do when creating a PageVamp website. And now what I can do is I can click the message button on Facebook and send them this link. Or if I were in Mexico City, I would probably call them and just explain that I have created this website for them and see if they're interested. Finally, I want to show you one more way to generate leads for this. If you go to a site like TripAdvisor, you can look for businesses in particular categories. So for instance, I'll look for restaurants in Tampa. Now let's click on the first result, and you can see on TripAdvisor whether or not they have a website listed. So they do have a website listed, but it looks awful. So this is clearly not mobile optimized. It's very, very old. But they're showing up first on TripAdvisor, so they probably get a lot of traffic. So this would be another good business to create a PageVamp website for and send it to them to see if they would want to use it. So that's it for today. As always, let us know if you have any questions or feedback.